Hello, do you know your brain? Do you know how it works? Do they teach you in school about your brain? Does it help you to know how your brain works? Do you know that 98% of your knowledge, of our current knowledge of our brain, what we know about our brain, has been learned in the last 10 years, only 10 years only? Yes, over the past 10 years. Before we were in darkness about how the brain works. Do you know that 80% of everything that scientists knew about the brain by the 1990s is today proven to be false? Think about that. Everything that people knew about the brain before the 1990s is now considered to be false. What we now know about our brain is very, very important. Our brain is capable of changing. Some people think that your brain is hardwired, it's fixed, it can't change. Think about it. Until 1990, doctors were told that our brain is hardwired. If you're born with the brain that way, it stays that way. But thanks to modern science and the technological devices developed, scientists can monitor the human brain while it is operating, while it's alive, and see exactly which part of the brain is involved in which functions. And that is how they discovered that the brain is not hardwired, it's not fixed. Your brain grows and expands. That is how they discovered that the brain is not hardwired. It changes and creates new neural pathways, making new connections and retracting the old ways. And that is called brain plasticity. Yes, it's called brain plasticity. What brain plasticity means, your brain changes, it grows, and you could take advantage of that. The next thing to note is, are thoughts real? We also learn that our thoughts are real. Yes, what you're thinking is real. It's not just a thought, it's a material thing made of energy. They are bioelectrical and biochemical impulses. Thoughts are bioelectrical and biochemical impulses. And better yet, thoughts are the most potent energy known to man. So now you know something interesting about your brain. Your brain is not fixed. It's not like a piece of slate that you can write on it or put in information into it. Every time your brain learns something new, it changes. Neurons fire and wire together, and that information changes the interconnection of the neurons, and so your brain changes with everything that you learn. Every time you learn something new, remember that.